Oh God. I'm gonna actually see.
I almost feel like we shouldn't even try to guard the entrance.
Right here, dude.
This is just gonna be yeah, you shoot from there, Dale. Stick your gun out and start shooting.
Yeah, they know I'm here though. They're watching everywhere.
We can do full auto.
Yeah. Bang! 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 Bang!
Bang rule inside the kill house.
You can't bang me. No one shot.
Did you shoot me or?
No.
Okay.
You got me. Got him, got him. Reload. Oh, you got me. Now where do I go?
Wait, do you have punches through this?
Oh no, I think that's a crack. Oh, that was a ricocheted retina. Does he not realize I'm hitting him?
All the way back.
Jack, watch to the side in the bunker hill.
Dude, we got a bunch.
Watch to your left in the bunkers.
Oh, hit!
There's a bunch rushing.
Hit!
Crap. Oh my God, there's so many of them. On a coke bug! On a coke bug! Oh! No! Oh, this is awful. Hey, that's way too close, bro. Oh.
Yeah, hurry! Yeah! Shoot these bitches! No!
Man, I got shot right in the lip.
All right, what's up?
We just gotta protect that gun right there.
Hey, right there.
Oh shit, look at them all. I can't shoot left. He's hit. There's one more there though.
There's another one behind him,
Yeah, I know, I've seen him.
I think.
Yeah, there's another one behind that. If we get shot now, where do we go?
We're dead.
Oh, we're dead? Okay.
Justin! Turn on your strobe so they know where to find us!
Oh,
Turn on your strobe so they know where to find us!
Oh, sorry! Alright, they're coming far right.
I need to reload.
Gotcha. I got defog. Got him. Nice.
Got him. Good job, Mike. Stay behind that fucking wall. They're right. Stacy. Watch out right there, bro. Over there.
Lily, what's behind you?
Safety on. Where do you want me over? Holy fuck.
Yeah, those ricochets might hurt.
Yeah.
I got ammo. Here, you need ammo?
Oh, you got a fucking fat mag?
Yeah. That one kind of fucks up though.
Do you have another high cap?
No. But I have another monster with some ammo in it.
Oh, what?
Yeah, this is what we need for this game.
I need a...
What? They're coming up. You solid on this side, buddy?
That's it. That mag's out.
We're about ready to get fucked. Really
Oh,
I'm gonna peek really fast. Oh, that ricochet.
Yeah, you see me second.
Fuck.
I'm down.
Holy shit. Yeah, get down. Get down, he's gonna hit your head.
They're right there, dude. Spark. They're right. They're coming. Just get ready to fucking shoot them all.
Got that guy.
My motor's fucking steaming. Did I get anybody?
Holy shit.
What? They're all over there, aren't
Yeah.
they? Sparks, you okay? Get ready, motherfucker!
Who's doing that on the Sorry, that was a ricochet, I'm pretty sure. Watch out! They're coming! They're coming! Coming through the door!
I need ammo.
Behind us! Watch out!
Back! In the window!
Shannon, don't stand up! Have your finger on the trigger so they can't yell at you. Good. Sorry.
Over there.
Oh my god.
I'm afraid to stand up.
I know.
This is fucking insane, dude.
I was shooting in the guy. Dude, oh my god, he missed. He missed.
Bang! Bang!
Oh, sorry.
Holy fuck, dude.
Dude, that guy just barely.
You gotta
Wait, is that-
be aiming down your sights, little man.
Aiming down your sights. You can't
Oh.
reach around the corner, dude.
Fuck you, asshole! Oh shit! Fuck, dude.
Why are there mags everywhere? Are they still for
We just dropped them. Didn't have time to put them back.
Holy shit, I think those were shit. Are we out or? I don't think so. Bang, bud, right there. Bang. Ah, that's in the neck. I'm it. All you twigs. That guy. That guy. That guy.
Oh God.
You have to be looking down the side of your gun to bang though.
Bang, 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 bang.
What, one hit? Well done, man.
My name is the Lord.